Lance and I are about 10 hours away from starting our Cactus to Clouds hike. Now, the total hike is going to be about 16 miles from the base to the summit, and then another 6 miles back to the tram. The first 16 miles is where we're going to get the majority of our elevation gain, and it's going to be just under 11,000 feet of elevation in that first stretch. Just our luck, we are getting a weather window that is probably the worst it's been in the past 2 weeks, but that's part of what you get when you do an April ascent of Cactus to Clouds. We're looking at a temperature range of around 25 degrees at the summit as a high, and as low as 0 to 10 degrees with the wind chill factored in. Wish us luck. Hopefully we make it to the top. Well, it is about 4:30 a.m. and unfortunately I got about 2 hours max of sleep, but here we are and we're just gonna do it live. We have a big trek ahead of us up to San Jacinto.
We are here 1 mile up at the picnic tables. Is it 900 feet?
Yep, just about 900 feet of gain and about 1,400 feet elevation. Onward. We are at rescue box number 1, 2.5 miles in, about 2.6, doing 2 miles per hour. Let's see what we have in here. Looks like there's no water right now, so keep that in mind. We are at 4,500 feet of elevation gain, just about 5,000 feet altitude, and we are not quite halfway there, but we got to make our way up there through Grub's Notch. Rescue box number 2. Just about halfway on the elevation, 7 miles in, starting to feel it. We have made it to the traverse, and it doesn't look too bad. Looks like we'll see here in a second, but it's been tough to this point. This is pretty much the first snow we're seeing. Weather's been fantastic.
And it's over. Grub's Notch. 7 hours later. 7 straight hours of uphill. It's the flat point right here. The last part of that is a brutal climb. There we go. Finally, Long Valley.
We're having a little pit stop right now to change our base layer into some warm weather gear and to swap out our socks. The ranger said there's about 60-mile-an-hour winds on top of San Jacinto right now, or around 3 to 4 p.m., which is in a couple hours. So we're hoping to barely miss it, and if not, we'll throw in some more layers.
Wellman Divide. Winds are picking up. We got some low cloud cover moving in. We only got a couple hours left in this weather window. We're gonna have to hustle up.
This is relentless. We got about 2 miles left. Way up here, snow's about 5 feet deep. It would not be cactus clouds for us if it didn't get a little snow. So now we're getting a little snow. This is like our 3rd or 4th layer change. We have less than 1,000 feet left, and we need to get going. About 50 feet left. We're done. We're toast. We need some elevation descent. No more ascent, please. Not in snow.
This is it. This is the top of the peak. We did it. We made it to the top. Cactus to clouds.
Yeah.
Lots of clouds today.
Blizzard. We made it.
Time to go. Well, there we are, back at Wellman Divide. That was quite the experience. It was a full-on blizzard up there, but we made it down. From here on out, we should be well in the tree line. But it's still gonna be windy. 3.3 miles back to the tram. That is Cactus to Clouds. I think it's safe to say we're never doing this again.